All right, so I was sharing with a friend today that I looked over this problem over the weekend, and I gave myself about a minute to figure it out. And a minute later, I was still lost. God, I hate saying that, but okay, that's true, and that's what happened. Can you figure out how to solve this? What I wasn't paying close enough attention to is this. So I started down the wrong road from not paying attention, and I wonder if you're worried about that. If you're getting ready to take this exam, if you're worried about that, it says as x goes to 1. So this is not as the change in x goes to 0. It's not as x goes to infinity. It's as x goes to 1. And I realize I put 1 in there. Well, that's going to go to 0 down here. And then this thing is going to be undefined. So I started to work on it. And I started to do a lot of math. And then only later, actually while I was sleeping, I realized, you know what? This is factorable. So my whole point on this is when you're doing this exam, take your time finding your limits. So this whole thing is factorable, and they share a factor. So this is x plus 3, x minus 1. They're not asking us to graph this, so we don't have to account for the hole that's going to be put in this function. Right? So we have a removable discontinuity is what we have here. If right now we took if we took f of 1, if we took f of 1 here, then of course this thing would come back undefined. But more important than that, it would come back 0 over 0. It's called the indeterminate form, and we have to be looking for that. The exam that they're going to give us is going to be really reasonable, but we have to be looking for some specific stuff. So try to stay open-minded as you can. And as you can see, this problem is just damn near solved now, isn't it? Because we want to know what f of 1 is now. Now we can actually take f of 1, and we would get 1 plus 3 over, right, that's this 1 here, over 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 4 over 2. So we can say with some clarity that the limit here is equal to 2. So I'm not sure if that was helpful for you or not, but I guess what I do want to definitely share with you is please, 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 please be sure to take your time and think about what's being asked of you. If it seems really difficult, we might be missing something really simple, okay? So good work. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and comments are terrific.